Emma. How's your morning going?
Hey, John. It's going pretty well. I had coffee, so that helps a lot. How about you?
Same here. Coffee first, brain later. I woke up a little tired, but now I feel better.
Yeah, mornings can be hard. At least it's sunny today.
True. Sunny days always make me feel happier. Oh, by the way, hi everyone. I'm John.
And I'm Emma. We're both from the USA, and today we're just chatting like friends.
Very casual, very relaxed.
And today's topic is something many English learners ask about.
Yes, the future tense.
Don't worry, we'll make it very...
Super easy, no stress.
Exactly.
So Emma, when you hear future tense, what do you think?
I think about things that will happen later.
Right. Things that are not now, not yesterday.
But tomorrow, next week, next year.
That's the future.
And the good news is, English future tense is actually simple.
Yes, you don't need many forms.
Mostly, you just need one word.
The magic word.
Will.
Let's say it slowly.
Will.
Again.
Will.
Good. So when we talk about the future, we often say, I will.
You will.
He will.
They will.
The verb never changes.
That's very important.
For example,
I will eat dinner.
she will call her mom.
They will watch a movie.
Easy, right?
Very easy.
Let's make it more natural. In real life, we don't always say will.
True. We usually say I'll.
I will, I'll.
You will, you'll.
He will, he'll.
English loves short forms.
Yes, we like to talk fast. So instead of I will go, we say,
I'll go.
instead of I will see you tomorrow,
I'll see you tomorrow.
much more natural. Let's talk about real life. Emma, what will you do later today?
I'll finish my work, then I'll cook dinner.
Nice. What will you cook?
Probably pasta. Easy pasta. I'm not a great chef.
Same. I'll probably order food.
That's also cooking, just with your phone.
Exactly. Modern cooking.
John, what will you do this weekend?
Let's see. On Saturday, I'll clean my apartment.
That doesn't sound fun.
It's not. But I'll play music, so it's okay.
That helps.
And on Sunday, I'll meet my friend Mike.
Oh, nice. What will you do together?
We'll watch a soccer game.
Sounds fun. So everyone listening, notice something.
We're using will for plans.
Yes, plans, ideas, and decisions.
Sometimes we decide right now.
For example,
Oh, it's cold. I'll close the window.
you didn't decide it yesterday.
You decided now.
That's a big use of will.
Another example.
Okay.
My phone battery is low.
Oh no.
I'll charge it.
Simple, natural. We also use will for promises.
Yes.
Like,
I'll help you.
or I'll call you tonight.
That's a promise. A friendly promise.
Let's talk about negative sentences.
Ah, yes. Will not.
We usually say won't.
Will not, won't.
For example,
I won't be late.
she won't forget.
We won't give up.
That one sounds emotional.
Very movie-like.
Let's do a short mini conversation.
Okay.
Emma, are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm not.
Will you join me for coffee?
Yes, I will.
Say it naturally.
Yes, I'll join you.
Perfect.
Can I ask you something, Emma?
Sure.
When you were learning another language, was future tense hard?
Honestly, yes. I worried too much.
Me too.
But English future tense is friendly.
It doesn't change a lot.
Just will and the verb.
That's it.
Let's give listeners some easy examples.
Okay.
Emma, repeat after us if you want.
I'll study English tonight.
I'll practice speaking tomorrow.
I'll watch English videos.
I'll make mistakes.
That's important
Yes, and it's okay.
because mistakes will help you learn.
See? Future tense again.
Nice example.
Thank you.
So let's review very simply.
Future tense talks about later.
We use will.
I will equals I'll.
Will not equals won't.
Use it for plans, decisions, promises, and predictions.
Like,
You will get better at English.
that's a good prediction.
And a true one.
Learning English takes time.
But step by step, it gets easier.
Today, you learned the future tense.
Tomorrow, you'll use it.
Next month, you'll feel more confident.
And someday,
You'll speak English naturally.
just like this conversation.
Thanks for listening and learning with us.
We're happy you're here.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And don't forget,
The future is waiting.
see you next time.
Bye, everyone.